Don't ring that bell. You'll be sorry.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
My, what an ugly costume.
Didn't the other kids tell you not to come here? Go back before it's too late. Go back.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here.
Aren't you a little big to be trick-or-treating?
Give me your treats, or else.
We'd love to have you for dinner.
Don't ring that bell. Don't ring that bell. Don't ring that bell. Ring that bell.
You don't know what's going to answer it.
Why didn't you wear a mask? Oh, excuse me. I guess you did.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. Come here. Come here, my pretties. You're going to become my treats.
I wouldn't ring that bell unless you have 9 lives to live.
Hey, haven't you been here before?
Won't you come in for a bite?
Do you know what happens at midnight?
Beware of this house.
They only let me out one night a year.
Good evening.
Haven't you been here before?
Go back before it's too late.
Good evening.
Good evening. Won't you come in for a bite? You're just my type.
Didn't the other kids tell you not to come here? Go back before it's too late!
Oh, come in. Yes, we would love to have you for dinner.
Aren't you a little big to be trick-or-treating?
Give me your treats, or else.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! It's something weird and it don't look good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who can you call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Ow, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call. Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear lots of girls. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If you have afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, no, no. Ghostbusters! When it comes through your door, unless you just want some more, I think you better call Ghostbusters! Oh, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I think you better call Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I can't hear you. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Louder! Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Who can you call? Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call?
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. When my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin Drac's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?" It's now the monster mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash. It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool, Drac's a part of the plan. And my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you. Then you can monster mash and do my graveyard smash. You'll catch on in a flash. Then you can monster mash. Easy, Igor, you impetuous young boy.
under the moonlight. You see a sight that almost stopped your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is Thriller. About to strike, you know it's Thriller, Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. Ooh. You hear the door slam, you realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that there is just imagination, girl. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is Thriller, Thriller night. There ain't no second chance. It's the thing with 40 eyes, girl. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. Night creatures crawl and the dead start to walk in their masquerade. There's no escaping the jaws of the alien this time. This is the end of your life. They're out to get you, steaming closing in on every side. They will possess you, unless you change the number on the dial. Now is the time for you and I to cuddle close together. All through the night, save you from the terrors on the screen. I'll make you see that it's a thriller, Thriller night. 'Cause I can do you more than any ghost would ever try. So let me hold you tight and share a killer, 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 'cause it's a thriller, Thriller night. 'Cause I can do you more than any ghost would ever dare to try. So let me hold you tight and share a killer, killer.
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whomsoever shall be found without their souls all getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. The foul stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to quiver. For no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.
Well, I saw this thing coming out of the sky. It had one long horn and one big eye. I commenced to shaking and I said, ooh-wee. It looks like a purple people eater to me. It was a one-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater.
One-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater.
It was a one-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater. Sure looks strange to me.
One eye.
Well, he came down to earth and lit in a tree. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, don't eat me. I heard him say in a voice so gruff,
I wouldn't eat you 'cause you're so tough.
it was a one-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn, blind purple people eater. Sure looks strange to me. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, what's your line? He said, it's eating purple people and it sure is fine. But that's not the reason that I came to land.
I wanna get a job in a rock and roll band.
Well, bless my soul, rock and roll, flying purple people eater. Pigeon-toed under gold, flying purple people eater.
We wear short shorts.
Flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me. Well, he swung from the tree and laid on the ground. He started rocking around. It was a crazy ditty with a swinging tune.
A wop-bop-a-looka like a bim-bam-boom.
Bless my soul, rock and roll, flying purple people eater. Pigeon-toed under gold, flying purple people eater.
I love short shorts.
Flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me.
Purple people.
He went on his way and what do you know? I saw him last night on a TV show. He was blowing out and really knocking them dead, playing rock and roll music through the horn in his head.